مرحباً، هل أنت جاهز لتعلم بعض الكلمات وتحسين مستواك في الإنجليزية؟ سنتعلم اليوم طريقة وصف الساعة بالإنجليزية بطريقة مبسطة وعملية. هيا لنلعب ونستفد. لكن قبل أن نبدأ، هذا الدرس مرتبط مع الأرقام، لذا إذا لم تكن تعرف الأرقام بالإنجليزية فأدعوك للدخول للقناة ومشاهدة هذا الفيديو. هيا لنبدأ.
The minute hand is pointing to the 12. So it is something o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the number 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. Since the minute hand has traveled only halfway around the clock, it is now pointing at the number 6. Now we already know that one full rotation of the minute hand is equal to 60 minutes. So that means that half a rotation is equal to 30 minutes because half of 60 minutes is 30 minutes. That's also why when the minute hand is pointing to the 6 we say it is half past something because the minute hand only went halfway around the clock. That is also why on the digital clock it says 30, because it indicates 30 minutes has passed the hour. Now let's have a look at where the hour hand is pointing. As you can see, the hour hand is right in between the numbers 3 and 4. This means that it has passed 3 and has not yet reached the number 4. That is why we say it is half past 3 or 3:30. The time on the clock face now says 12 o'clock. Now watch what happens when the minute hand only travels a quarter of the way around the clock. As you can see, the minute hand is now pointing at the number 3. When the minute hand is pointing to the number 3 on an analog clock, we say it is quarter past something, as the minute hand only traveled 1/4 of the way around the clock. If you look at the hour hand, it has just passed the number 12, so this means the time on the clock is quarter past 12. On a digital clock, it would read quarter past 12 because we are in the 12th hour. And a quarter past means only 15 minutes has passed the hour, since 15 minutes is a quarter of 60 minutes. Now that you have learned how to read quarter, the time on the clock face now says 12 o'clock. Now watch what happens when the minute hand travels 3/4 of a way around the clock face. You can see the minute hand is now pointing at the number 9. When the minute hand is pointing at the number 9 on an analog clock, we say it is 1/4 because there is only a quarter of an hour left until we reach the next hour. If you look at the hour hand, it is almost at the number 1. This means that it is 1/4 because there is a quarter of an hour left until it is 1 o'clock. On a digital clock, it would read 1/4 because we are still in the 12th hour. And when the minute hand is pointing at the number 9, it means that 45 minutes has passed the hour, which also means there is only a quarter of an hour left until the next hour. Now that you have learned how to read quarter 2 times, let's practice reading the times on the clock coming up.
أنت في الطريق الصحيح، ولتطوير مستواك أكثر في اللغة الإنجليزية بسرعة، شاهد هذا الفيديو.